Well, we're making progress. I finally got the top ridge going, so I'm tacking those down. I'm about halfway there. I might have to cut a few more, but see, I got that all folded over nice up to the peak, and then it's covering up both sides real nice there. You can see that. And then all these vents I got flashed in properly. So you got all that around there at the top, so it sheds water downhill. Water flows downhill, so we leave the flashing exposed on the side so the water flows. Anything that catches around the top edge, it will flow around and it'll go right out on top of the tin. And it's just a matter of sealing up these nails. I already put one coat on last night. I probably put another coat. So all those, I got all them in there nice. You can see that one where I sprayed the sealant on the nails, the exposed nails. And then when I get down to the very end with the cap, the end cap will have a couple exposed nails, and we'll put some sealant over that too, and that'll be done. Oh, and then the only other thing I gotta do is trim off all the extra on the edges that I got in places. I just have to run a chalk line and cut that off. Apparently the last guy that did the job didn't do that. He left it, and Carl had to do that himself.